Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can use saved audio in Instagram post. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, let's go ahead first, open up our Instagram app, cross this out first, and now go ahead, tap on this reel section, and now we're simply gonna go ahead, find a song that you would like to save. Now tap on this 3 song option in the bottom right and tap on this save icon. Now it has been simply saved, and now we're gonna go back and simply tap on this plus icon. Now we have, let's say this is the post, we're gonna tap on next, and we have the simply option of music on top. Go ahead, tap on it to go to saved section. Go ahead, enter the music of yours, tap on done, and you can tap on this next option, and now you can simply share the post with the saved music of yours. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.